Morning, howdy y'all. I'm outside. Listen at this bird. Hope it's a happy bird and not one in distress. I can't tell. And what the heck's he doing chirping at 4:30 or 5 a.m.? I missed the strawberry moon. Did any of y'all see it? I was up at 3 a.m. and again at 5 a.m. yesterday and the day before and this morning, and it always looked like this, not strawberry. It's pretty. It's beautiful. It's just not strawberry. Well, I'm worried about that bird. I hope that bird's all right. I don't want any of God's creatures suffering. I'll let y'all go. I just woke up and got dressed and walked outside. It is cold out here, y'all. I ain't lying. I think I'm the only one awake, so I don't want to talk too loud. Dang, it's cold out here. Good night. Not good night. Talk to y'all later. God bless you.